When your production line requires a seriously durable printer delivering the best quality non-stop coating in the most demanding environment, you need the DuraCode Series Continuous Inkjet Printer. Its modular stainless steel IP55 industrial structure is robust enough to withstand extreme temperatures, humidity, and vibration. Easy to operate and available with 4 different nozzle sizes, it prints traversely and vertically at speeds up to 1,050 feet per minute. It offers print data solutions through network and local scanners, and the automatic monitoring system ensures high-quality print consistency. Inkjet Ink formulates the fluids that are backed by a quality control process unmatched in the industry. Our technical services group works hand in hand with you, guaranteeing you're getting the right ink for your specific substrate and process. Plus, we'll be there to provide installation support, ensuring a stress-free experience focused on maximizing production uptime. DuraCode is a feature-packed continuous inkjet printer. When you combine that with the cleanest fluids and industry-leading service, you've got a simple, reliable, one-stop marking and coating solution. Contact Inkjet Ink today for a free consultation.